Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and then click install. Now you can click open and then click continue. And here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now, and here you can turn notifications, or you can click not now again. Here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and you can select your turbo placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.